With Maddie Lance, 2 plus 2 is 4. Atta girl. A happy 4th birthday to Maddie as she celebrates in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Lily Carlskin turning 10 years old this year. Lily is celebrating today, of course, with love from the family.
All grown up right there. Layton High School turning 12, and he's being presented the baseball from his coach after going yard at a tourney in Girard last year. Layton, that way to light him up. You keep raking, kiddo. And a happy 12th birthday in Stockton.
And then we've got Ethan Wheat. Hey, rock chalk ready. I like that. Ethan is 19 years old in Parsons with love from Mom, Dad, Aiden, Landon, and the grandparents.
We've got a pair of 25s, and we'll begin with one, Jared Watson. Jared, a very happy birthday to you in that warmer weather that you were clearly enjoying. He is in Weir.
All right. Megan Westoff turning 25 years old, excuse me. Megan is 25 in Parsons.
The one with her might be 5. I don't think the one with her's 5. I think that. William Carpino, happy 41st birthday. William, this comes with love from Mom, Dad, sisters, brothers, nieces, and nephews. I wonder what he was working on right there.
Maybe just...
Maybe digging up tree roots, well, look like.
Yeah, just working in the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah, working in the yard. All right, and we've got Casey Strickland, turning 42 years old this year in St. Paul. Happy birthday from the neighbor kids.
I don't know, I guess that's where the kids go hang out. I go to Casey's house.
That's cool, that's cool.
Beth Bauer, she is celebrating her 46th birthday. Got a spooky trick-or-treat photo right there. Happy birthday, Miss Beth.
All right, and we've got Joseph Cruiser, who lives in Mildred, Kansas, turning 53 years old. Happy birthday to Joseph.
Good catch. That's how they do it in Minnesota.
Cool.
I like that. Check this out. Talk about long time no see. There he is. What's up, Steven? Steven McNeamer. That you want to talk about friend of the station. This dude is one of the nicest you're ever going to meet, and always takes time out of his schedule to stop by and say hello. And so, Steven, I hope after we get past this old pandemic thing that our paths begin crossing once again, because I do miss talking to you, my man. And a very happy 64th birthday. He runs that town of Columbus.
All right, let's see. We've got a belated birthday wish going out to L.D. Curran, former Labette County Superintendent who served for 30 years. Retired back in '96. Mr. Curran is 90 years old this year. Currently living in Altamont.
Kids that went through Labette County, and we probably got people on our birthday list there popping up that he had as students.
Possibly, yeah.
And Renee Kirkwood. Oh, a gorgeous picture right there, Renee. Happy birthday to you. She is in Columbus.
Aw. And in West Mineral, Paul Grant. Happy birthday to you. Paula Wren Eller celebrating a birthday as well. And Michael Uhlenhale. Yeah, we'll go with that. Uhlenhale. Down in Miami. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 15th. And I'm very glad that it's a whole lot warmer on your birthday and anniversary this year than what it was last year. That is for sure. That's what you can send them into. Birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Speaking of, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Now,